creates the Innovations for Transportation Infrastructure Act to implement Design Build in Illinois, which permits the Illinois Department of Transportation and the Illinois State Tollway Authority to use Design Build approach in bids and proposals. For IDOT, the cost may not exceed $400 million for contracts awarded during IDOT's multi-year highway improvement program for any 5-year period. For Tollway Authority, it may not exceed 20% of the authority's annual improvement program. The design build approach consolidates design, engineering, and construction services into one fixed package, selected by a qualification-based selection process. The goal of this process is to bring greater efficiency and innovation to the system in order to deliver projects faster and more efficiently. IDOT and Tollway typically use a different approach. This is what's happening today. Design, bid, build, which through these services procured such as separate contracts. While this process works well for most projects, Design Build offers a more streamlined and effective approach, an efficient approach for more complex projects, bridges, interchanges, and such, which are coming. Illinois has hundreds of small and diverse engineer companies that work with IDOT and Tollway. Along with many advocates and other legislators, we had serious concerns about the impact Design Build would have on this sector, and we wouldn't sit back. So as a result, the language in this bill works to ensure that DBE inclusion and protections are present and visible in this new procurement model, including separate goals for design and engineering and bid shop protections. Again, real protections for DBE inclusion. Design Build will help speed up implementation of the Build Illinois Capital Bill. Getting shovel-ready projects out the door more quickly will allow Illinois to capture more federal funding, which we need. Design Build has a proven track record on success on many projects in Chicago and throughout the country, with more than $100 billion in projects in 2020, and of course, including Chicago. I appreciate your support. We have a tool for innovation for our construction industry. This is that tool. And again, we're doing it in an incremental way to make sure it works. We know it works, but to make sure it works. So I request your support and available for questions.